Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atala Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin has reached yesterday its the highest price in this year, 2023. It went over 26,500 US dollar after the new CPI data came out. This is the first thing I want to talk about. Then let's talk about Signature Bank, because why was it really shut down? Many people asking now the question. And then we have Circle, which is able to access its 3.3 billion USDC reserve at Silicon Valley Bank. So actually happy days for them, at least right now. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making a couple of new videos here on this channel, Blockchain Bloom, to keep you up to date in crypto, in blockchain, and also in the economics. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, simply subscribe button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's start today's episode. So what a day we had actually yesterday, a pretty amazing one. We haven't seen this for a while. And when I share here the screen, we can see that actually, well, now we went back a little bit, but 24 hours, the last 24 hours, now Bitcoin is up 2%, but I'm going to show you yesterday, but I think many of you know how much it went up. Ethereum 2% up also, so Ethereum 1,704, while Bitcoin 24,859 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we have Singularity Net 42%, Conflux 38, Stacks 36, and so on and so forth. So many old started to go up very nicely, and well, not really losers. That's what I wanted to say. And yes, the first topic I want to discuss, and then we're looking at the candlestick chart as well, that actually Bitcoin reached this year's high. So let's talk about that. Well, as you can see here, now you can see it. Bitcoin went all the way up yesterday after the new CPI data came out, all the way to 26,553 according to this candlestick chart. So as you can see here, we have these trend lines, and well, we broke out a little bit. However, very important that we haven't closed on the daily above it, or even close in a weekly above it would be actually very important to see this continue. So this time, again, it worked as a resistance, but you know, first we could see this breakout, and this was a pretty big one. We haven't seen this prices since the 13th of June last year, so in the last 9 months. And as you're looking at this, that looks also kind of bullish, but of course that was a big wick here on the top of the daily. And we just closed, you know, where we were before. So actually we kind of stayed there, but we had this very nice bullish momentum. And today, really so far undecided, in the middle, bit up, bit down, all the way now red candle, but it can turn anytime to a green one. Actually, it was green before. So yes, bottom line is that the reason is the CPI data. So the forecast was 6%, and actually it is exactly what the forecast said. And usually when it comes out what the forecast says, or actually even better, that makes it bullish. If it's worse than the forecast, then of course that makes it worse. Today we're waiting for something else. This is actually the US Producer Price Index, also kind of important. Now the forecast is 5.4%. The previous one was, as you can see it here, 6%. So if it will be bigger than 5.4, that could be actually then bullish. So we will see how this will go. You know, this one is the as you can read here, the Producer Price Index measures the change in the price of goods sold by manufacturers, basically. So it is a leading indicator of consumer price inflation, which accounts for the majority of overall inflation. And you know, the next important date is going to be actually after that, the 22nd of March, pretty soon as well, And yeah, what will Jerome Powell say on the FOMC meeting, after the FOMC meeting, about rate hikes? Now, the majority is saying it will be 25 basis point, but there are a couple of percentages they're saying that it will be 0. And, 50, it's out of the question, which was 70% like a week ago that said it will be 50. So interesting changes, but because of this, banking industry problem, we can see things changing. They must change it. And if they actually go down 25 basis point, actually 0, that will make the market also bullish. Right. Now, the next topic is all about Signature Bank. And why was it really shut down? This is now the question. So Signature Bank is a totally different issue that Silicon Valley Bank. And, many people asking now the question, why was it actually shut down? So here when we're looking at that, the regulator said that, Move had nothing to do with crypto because, many people are saying that they actually wanted to send a, very strong, strict message against crypto. So this is what the regulator told Decrypt in an email, that the decision made over the weekend were not crypto related, and that the body has been facilitating well-regulated crypto activities for several years, and its national model for regulating the space. So certainly, since the beginning of the year, the debanking of crypto industry has been happening. This is what actually the CEO was saying of Bank Custodia, Colin Long, and saying that I trust what Bernie Frank said. He had no reason to lie. And, what he basically said before, was it in another article now? Actually, yes, it was somewhere here and another one as well. Yeah, he said that, who is a former board member of Signature, said on March 13, regulator wanted to send a very strong anti-crypto message. And then we have here the Crypto Council for Innovation CEO also told Decrypt that the recent statement from the regulator seemed to amount to de facto bans on dealing with all crypto companies, regardless of their business practices. So the industry believes, let me drink. So the industry believes that they try to blame cryptocurrencies as the fault of the banking system right now. And that's why they first, bring down banks which are crypto related. But actually, SVB Bank, it's a different thing because there's many startups. But anyway, and with that, they would like to show that actually crypto was the one which started this whole kind of banking industry going down. Even that the regulators are now saying that no, it's not what this is all about. It really actually looks like. And, also Signature Bank investigated for money laundering prior to demise. So here they said the pro-crypto bank was reported under dual investigation to uncover if it was taking proactive measures to stop money laundering. So it looks like they were investigating already. There is maybe the SEC were already also investigating, and then we had the New York State regulators to close the bank basically during the weekend. However, they're saying it's not because of crypto, but we do know that it's many crypto companies had a working business relationship with them, and yes. So you decide. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. What it's going on here. And then actually good news for USDC stablecoin, at least for now, that they can access their backup at Silicon Valley Bank. So actually good news for Circle, because they are able to access their $3.3 billion of USDC. reserve at Silicon Valley Bank. Circle CEO and co-founder Jeremy Aller says that since March 13th, the stablecoin issue has been able to access the 3.3 billion of funds held with the collapsed bank, Silicon Valley Bank. So, the message was that nobody should worry because every depositor will access their deposit, and now they saying officially that yes, it has happened. However, even that the peg went back to $1, the market cap of USDC dropped since the 11th of March, nearly 10%, because people are worrying about it. And of course, it's very difficult to push back the market cap in these kind of conditions. But anyway, now bottom line is that the peg is back, and this is actually important. However, centralized things, stable coins, it's just not Bitcoin, to be honest with you. But that's just maybe my opinion. But I'm pretty sure that many people, cryptos people, believe and share it. Right, okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you a couple of fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you're interested in this topic, you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple, subscribe button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.